Are you pooping? I caught you in here grunting. Are you going potty? He's in the right room. You done? Make sure you wash your hands. Oh. Can you wave to Mommy? Bradley, can you wave to Mommy? B. Someone sees their reflection in the refrigerator. Yeah. Yeah, what she said. Back for round 2. Bye-bye.